Hey there, Russ here from Tactical Mortgage Solutions. I'm just going to walk you through a quick refi scenario here. We know that in the past couple of years, it has been a bit of a challenge to refi our home refinance options, and that with our clients has dwindled a little bit. But with the rates coming back, what's happening now is we are starting to see that we could save our clients money. So this is a quick tutorial on how to streamline your process. When someone is, if you go into your database, you can see files that are even going back the past couple of years with higher rates. And now that we can get better rates, we can do a quick synopsis or even a quick look at whether it makes sense to do anything at this point in time. So here's a couple examples I'll show you. First one here is, this is one that I spoke to a broker the other day, and you create an account in the Home Refinance section. And what we did was we just input the information here. So if you add mortgage, then what happens here is we select the lender, and we have penalty calculations for all of these lenders. And we choose whether it's a fixed or variable, close or open, the term. We input the maturity date, and it'll automatically work out the remaining term. We insert the interest rate. And I've got a history of posted rates in here because we never know what happens or what the posted rate is. So I've taken the highest of posted rates 120 days prior to the completion date. Okay, so you click on that, and then it works out the discount for you. Of course, you add the penalty, or sorry, the outstanding mortgage balance, the payments. It'll automatically work out your amortization, and then you've got the penalties down here. You want to include it in the refinance unless they're paying it on their own. But if you click on this, it will automatically manage it down below. So that being said, is if we can drop this rate from 5.6, add the penalty on to the new balance, and get about 439, or even let's just say 449, then what happens here is that they can save about $295 a month, $888 in the outstanding balance, but the total amount of $15,654 to the end of their terms, which is 4 years, 2 months, 50 months. Now, if you called these clients up and said, hey, there's an opportunity to save you some money. If they happen to have any debts, you can quickly and efficiently add on credit cards. So let's just have a look at a credit card. So if we say RBC, MC, and let's just say that's 10,000, then what happens is you can put the rate in here. It works out all the interest. And then down below, what you can do is let them know that if we added it on and included it in the mortgage, it's now going to save you about 21,000. At the same time, if you want to disclose legal costs or appraisal, you can always put legal costs, 2,000, and that is now going to show up down below. So it fully discloses all the costs and refinancing. Now another one I'll show you here, which is they're both actually active, and the broker I spoke to is reaching out to those clients to refinance their mortgages. Now, this one here is a little bit higher, and it is over 1 million. So when we look at this one here, is same thing. Is we look at the current mortgage, fixed. We just quickly fill out all these details. This is a 5-year, 606. We've got the posted rate. Click on that. It only takes a minute to do this. We look at the penalty, which is 17,000. We haven't hit IRD yet on this one. And with 2 years, 3 months remaining, what we have here is we drop that rate from 606 down to 454, which is a promotion with one of the lenders that are out there. We've added the penalty onto the balance. Then what we have here is their payments drop. Their balance is a little bit higher, but they ultimately save $19,203. If they want to pay this off a little bit quicker, they can always adjust the amortization. Maybe they go to 25. So you can quickly, on an ad hoc basis, add details in here and show clients right off the hop of whether it makes sense. So there are opportunities out there. You just got to find them, do your analysis, and reach out to clients. Have a great day, and please let me know if you have any questions.